Welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. Today we're in the Electrolux kitchen. I've got Electrolux Demo Chef Lisa with me, and she's going to show us how to make an easy paleo chili. So how do we start?
So we're going to start out with some coconut oil. We've got this going pretty high here in a pot, and you're going to add to this coconut oil, it's about a tablespoon, you're going to add some onions and that garlic, all the onions.
Okay.
So it's about one whole medium onion chopped, and that's a couple of cloves of garlic. So we just turn this around in the pan, and you want to kind of let this go for a while until it gets a little bit of brown, but not burnt at all, but till they just get softened, right?
Yeah.
And then to that we're going to add our ground beef, and then we can just kind of stir that around.
On our Electrolux stovetop?
On our Electrolux stovetop
our quality
that I
products
love.
we're cooking
Yes.
with.
Oh, I love this Electrolux. And then after that, we're going to add our spices. Here I have chili powder, I have cumin, I have some oregano. This is just a little kosher salt, and this is Jamaican allspice. So I'm going to add all these in, and you can give it a stir around for me.
Yeah.
And then our last super special ingredient, this is unsweetened cocoa powder. So our last ingredients that we're going to add in here are some tomato paste. That's about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and I'll stir that around. And then that is a 14-ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes. And then we're going to use about half a cup of water and a cup of beef stock. After 2 hours, we end up with this beautiful chili. And what I like to do, I like to garnish it with a little bit of fried plantain. And then the final garnish, we have some chopped avocado, a little bit of chopped avocado, and some beautiful cilantro.
Wow, the colors are amazing,
Isn't
right?
that pretty?
Yeah,
Yes.
make it look pretty.
Yes.
We're gonna take this outside and let somebody try it, and we'll be right back. Oh, I got a lucky guy here that wants to try some paleo chili we just made.
Oh yeah, that sounds great.
Tell us what you think.
It's good. I love the avocados in it.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Thanks for joining Lisa and I in the Electrolux kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham, and we'll see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.